My first day at school in English. My name is Dara. I am 7 years old. Today is my first day at school. I wake up early in the morning because I am very excited. My mother helps me put on my new school uniform. My father carries my school bag and takes me to school. When we arrive at the school, I see many students. Some are talking with their friends, and some are playing in the schoolyard. At first, I feel a little nervous because I do not know anyone. My mother smiles at me and says, "Don't worry. You will make new friends." Soon, my teacher comes into the classroom. Her name is Ms. Lena. She is kind and friendly. She welcomes all the students with a warm smile. She asks us to introduce ourselves. I stand up and say, "Hello. My name is Dara. Nice to meet you." Everyone smiles, and I feel happy. After that, we learn the English alphabet, sing a song, and play a fun game together. I sit next to a boy named Tom. He is friendly and helps me when I cannot find the right page in my book. We become friends quickly. At lunchtime, we eat together in the school cafeteria. We talk about our favorite food, toys, and animals. I like rice and chicken, and Tom likes noodles. We laugh and enjoy our lunch. In the afternoon, our teacher reads us a short story. Then we draw pictures of our families. I draw my father, my mother, my little sister, and myself. My teacher says my picture is beautiful. When school finishes, my father comes to pick me up. I tell him about my teacher, my new friend, and the fun activities. He is happy to hear my story. My first day at school is wonderful. I learn many new things, meet new friends, and feel more confident. I cannot wait to go to school again tomorrow.